So hey guys, how are you all? I hope so that you're fine. So today in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create a Bag4App MCP integration. So what exactly MCP is? So MCP is Model Context Protocol. So it consists of various tools which will trigger when AI wants. Like if you ask the AI to create some application and deploy it to the server. So the deploy part will be selected with the help of tools that RMCP gives. Like RMCP brings a cloud hosting tool. So it will call that tool only. So it's a kind of dynamic thing that will decrease the human interferences. So it will only decide automatically which tool was suitable and how to trigger and when to trigger. So all these things MCP handles itself. So Bag4App created their own MCP, and there are lots of tools that we will be discussing in this video. So the first thing that we are going to discuss, let's discuss the flow chart, that how we will be going through all these steps, and then we will be doing the practical thing in this video. Okay, the first thing, we need to create the key in the Bag4App. Okay, so how to create that, let me explain. So firstly we need to go to the Bag4App. Okay, let me go inside. Here we go. Let me log in with Google. Okay, let's wait for this thing. Uh, After we will getting the count key now, what we will going to do, we will going to install the Bag4App into our cursor or any kind of ID. So there are lots of IDs like Windsurf, VS Code, Client, Code, Desktop, Cloud Code. So the best ID that I've choose is cursor for now. We will creating more videos on Windsurf, VS Code and all. So there's no need to worry. First of all, we will be focusing on this today only. So let me log in. Here we go. Great. Now as we have logged in, the first thing that you have to do is to click over here. Okay, whenever you click over here, you are able to see account keys thing. So click over there. Whenever you click over here, you are able to see the account key. Here we go. But in your case, you are not able to see. So for that purpose, you need to create your own account name, and then let's add this thing. So here is our key. We need to copy this and save it in your notepad for future purpose. We will covering that too. So here we go. This thing we have did for now. Let me go to the cursor for now for practical explanation. So as we have discussed, there are two ways to install. So we will be installing via this way. Okay, so let me go down. Let me copy this down. The link for this is this MCP Bag4App.Vercel.app. So you need to follow this link to get these things. Okay, so this link is public for you. You can follow these steps by your own. So here we go. To install the Bag4App, we just need to go to the file, preferences, and then cursor settings. And into this we have MCP and integration. Click over there. And after that, we just need to do click over here, add custom MCP, and then paste that code that we have. Let me just format this code. Here we go. So here is the account key that we will be generated, and just copied it out and paste it over here. Let me save this down, and here we go. It will be loading our tools, as you can see over here, loading tools. So what exactly what it does, it's load all the tools that Bag4App MCP have. So we will be just doing the chit chat over here, and after chit chat it will be deciding which tool is best for us. So basically For now, what we have, my apps. So here we go. So here are our apps. If we want to call and ask the cursor that how many apps we have, we can do very easily. Like if I ask over here, list all the Back4 apps of mine. So let's see it call the tool or not. So here are the code tools that uh, cursor will call. So let's see how exactly it does. Yeah, it's calling get parse apps. So let's see. Yes, it's calling this tool, and let's see the result. Here we go. Here we have all the apps that Back4 app has. Now let's try to create one app. Create me one app with the name YouTube MCP. Let's see rating or not. Yeah, it's calling the tool create parse app. Here we go. And I think it will create the tool with the name YouTube MCP in Back4 app without any kind of human interferences. So we don't need to go manually and do all things. So this is the thing that MCP is insane and work very perfectly without any kind of human interference. So let's see. Okay, your new Back4 app named MCP has been created successfully. Let's see by refreshing over here it's been created or not. What would be our next steps? So next step is just creating the app and just deploying and all things. This is a common thing. The main thing is that how to install Back4 app in Cursor and utilize or using it. So let me just see. Let's see that our app is visible or not. So our app name is YouTube MCP. Okay. YouTube MCP, YouTube. Yeah, here we go. Here we have our app YouTube MCP. Let's go to its dashboard. Oops, we don't need to do manually. We can do via here by using all the tools. So let me ask it, please make YouTube MCP my default app. For default app, I think it will using this set current app. Yeah, here you go, set current app. So this is a thing that Back4 app MCP does. It's creating a tools that will work manually without any kind of human interferences. Here we go. Here we have our keys and all. Here we have our script that will be generated manually, but we can generate it via here. So here is the MCP setup to via cursor or all these things which will be provided by Back4 app. So we don't need to worry anything or any kind of things. So let me just create a new folder, create a new file with the name index.html and host that file to YouTube MCP, and file content should be a simple static line that is hello world. Let's see it's been doing that thing for us or not. So it's calling activate web hosting and it's called the deploy web hosting files. let's see. Okay, so is the tools things, in-depth things that will be going on. You can now access the static site at, let's see, it ping us the URL. Let's see how it works. Yup, here is the Hello World. So let's try to make it more advanced. Could you please make a make this site more enhancing by making a beautiful emoji? Let's see if we're able to do that thing for us or not. If calling the MCP tool, deploy web hosting tool. Yo, your site has been enhanced. Let's see by refreshing. Okay, first of all, let us copy that URL and just paste it down. Here we go. Here is the hoster site. Bap4App does all the things very easy for us. So I like the way that how it works and how to do all these things. So if you need any kind of integrations or tools from me, you can contact me, or either you can contact Bap4App for this purpose. So here we go. So let me uh, conclude this video. So let me check if there is anything pending. So yeah, everything is done. Production ready app is here, and that's all. So the link for the same is in my description. You can follow or subscribe to me for more such videos. Have a nice day. Good day.